this port of Babak Island of Samal. So very clean and very nice. Because it's time 12 almost o'clock in the afternoon, so there is no such passengers coming in. So I am here for vlogging to introduce our Samal Island of Davao del Norte. So these are the port of Babak. So very nice and clean and very neat. So those who are willing to come over here in Babak, Samal, come and go. Visit here. So very nice place and very clean. These two ladies are my co-workers. Smile. Hi. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to go home or to come over here in Samal, Babak, very nice and very clean.